Hi guys, and welcome back to SITENG. In today's video I'm going to tell you about the surveying program using a TS15 Leica station. You need to be very confident when using survey program, as you're going to be using this for surveying, you're going to be using it for setting out, for coordinating targets or transferring levels. So this is critical. You know this program very well. And by the way guys, I'm here next to one of my project Battersea Power Station, which I'm going to tell you more in my construction site series. Okay, so now after a few words about surveying, we're going to start doing surveying now. So first thing I'm going to check actually our datum there on the wall, which we used before when we are setting the laser and we are leveling the side, let's say. So I'm going to aim the target now on the datum, which is 50.5, and I'm going to do, let's have a look. So now I'm press survey, and the point ID we can change it really, but I'm not going to be storing this. I'm not going to be measuring. I just want to check pressing the distance actually shows me the position and the height of the point we are measuring, but it's not saving the point, so you're right. So you just can see it's 54.99. I just make sure I'm just aiming precisely at it. You can see our datum we used before for setting the laser. It's 50.500, and we got position now. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do two exercises. I'm gonna set one point here on the floor, which we're gonna use later for doing the resection in other way, really. And we're gonna survey all this area here around, and I'm gonna plot it later on the cut, and then that's gonna be our SITENG field when we're gonna be doing our exercises. So let's set the point now here on the floor. Which I'm gonna call ST5, let's say, for now. Okay, so let's go back to the EDM and we're gonna survey the point now. So you're gonna see the laser, and that's my point here now. I just want to make sure I'm just shooting right into it. So we got the point now, and we said that point ID gonna be ST5. So yeah, our point ID we're just gonna type in ST5 and okay, and this time we actually it tells us the height and the position, so that's the surveying really. This time we're going to store the point. So as you can see, the point ST5 is stored. So that's the surveying point. You can store the point, and what we're going to do now, we're going to do a little survey around this area, as I said before. So maybe just ID for these points. We're gonna do SF SITENG field. We're gonna start from number 1. So we're just gonna press store. Press store. Store. I think we're going to save around 10-15 points maximum just to create all this, and I'm going to show you this on the cut. And as we're going to go later to do exercises with the ref line and the stakeout, we're going to be operating in this field. SF13. But you know guys, what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to shoot the Wembley Stadium, and then on the cut drawing we're going to see how far I am from the Wembley Stadium. And it is quite far, but I'll try to shoot it anyway. I'll call it WS Wembley Stadium 1. Oh, I can see. Maybe I actually shoot a few points as well. So we're gonna save this point. Save this point. And we're gonna shoot one more point. Wembley Stadium number 3. And guys, just one more thing. There's the 2 cranes there. I hope you can see them because there's a very bright, it's just the sun there. But I'll try to shoot that crane because these 2 cranes is just the place when I'm working right now on that job. So I actually will know how far from the job I am really. Okay, so I got one leg of my crane. The job is Minaville House, so I put the point as MV1 and I'm gonna store it. Okay, so that's it now. I got a few points. I'm gonna put them on CAD later. I'm gonna show you our area here. But another thing I want to show you now with the survey, really, we're gonna use a prism, because the whole point of using controller is you can remotely control it, but you can go with the prism and then on the controller you're gonna see all the information. So let's start using the controller then. So now we're gonna put our controller in, we're gonna install it on the pole. We got a little bit, I showed you this on the previous video. I'm gonna set it so I can clearly see everything, and then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go a few meters away from the instrument, and then we're gonna connect with the total station. We have to change the target first. We're gonna be using Leica Prism 23.1 constants, which you're gonna find just here, just to make sure you're using the proper target now. And we're gonna press OK. And then now I just extend a little bit our pole, let's say to 1.8 meter. And then we just need to find the target now. So what I usually use in myself is power search right and power search left. And I'm actually quite opposite the instrument now, but the instrument to find me has to turn left now. So I'm gonna press number 5, which is turn left. Okay, I see it has some problems now. I'm not sure really why, but let's try again. So this time obviously the instrument has to turn right. So power search right. Okay, so now I'm connected. As you can see here, the target is locked. So it says target is locked. So now as we're gonna be going, the instrument gonna be following. So as you can see, the instrument is following me now. Following the target actually. So we go in, and then as we press distance now, it's going to be showing us the position of the target. And this is live. Wherever we're using this is constant measurement, so whenever you use, it's showing us the position. So just one thing you have to remember really, when you start using the pole, you need to change the target height, because as you can see, we can use our station number 5. So what we can do with the survey, just as I said, you have to remember we need to change the target height here, because your target is now at 1.8 meter height really. So we want to press here 1.8 meter, which now gonna gives us the real height of the targets. So we can change the point ID. I'm gonna put it as a SITENG field level 1, and I'm gonna show you how to quickly just survey the levels. We're gonna just go and put few points. Store. 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 So that's the surveying really. You can survey levels, you can survey area. You can actually use in survey as well for looking for the certain easting and northing. So, but we definitely going to be using something else, and I'm going to show you this. Guys, that's it in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I believe you just make another step forward in your setting out site engineering knowledge. If you have any questions, if something was unclear, please let me know, leave in the comment below. And please guys, subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on so you're gonna know when my next video gonna be released. So thank you again for watching, and see you next time back on my channel.